In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Steam account. First, open the Steam app on your computer. Once it's open, click on your username with the left mouse button, then click on Account Details. A new tab will open, and what you need to do is scroll all the way down the page until you find the option Delete My Steam Account. When you find it, click on that button. You'll be redirected to a new page where Steam explains step by step how the account deletion process works. The first step is account verification. You'll need to prove that you are the actual owner of the Steam account you want to delete. The second step is that Steam support will review your request and verify the information you provided. The third step is that your account will be locked and then permanently deleted after 30 days. During this 30-day period, you won't be able to play any games that use Steam's VAC system, and you also won't be able to make new game purchases on the account. However, during these 30 days, you can still cancel the deletion process by contacting Steam support again if you change your mind. Another very important thing you need to know is that once your Steam account is deleted, everything on it will be permanently lost. This includes your games, gifts, inventory items, and any balance in your Steam wallet. None of this can be recovered. Additionally, games that require a Steam account will no longer be playable after the account is deleted. If you still want to proceed, click on Proceed to Account Deletion. At this stage, you'll need to provide more information about why you want to delete your account. First, you'll be asked to enter the email address you originally used when creating your Steam account. If you don't remember the first email, enter the earliest email address you can recall using. You'll then do the same for your phone number, if one is associated with the account. Steam will also ask whether you've ever purchased games or added funds to your account. If you've used a Steam gift card, they may ask you to attach an image of the gift card code as proof. Finally, there's a text box where you can explain your reasons for wanting to delete your account. All the information you provide will be taken into consideration during Steam's review process. Once everything is filled out, simply click Send. Steam support will then review your request and contact you once the analysis is complete, letting you know whether your account deletion has been approved. And that's how you permanently delete a Steam account. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel to support it.